I believe that your credit repair is always important because if you guys are not working to increase your credit score, you guys are not going to be able to buy a house, or maybe you're going to have a very, very hard time buying a house, buying a car, or financing a car, should I say. And then also, I'm not sure, but like in America, to rent a place, we need to have a certain type of credit score, or you're not going to be able to rent a place. Um, Sometimes for your energy bill, if you guys are trying to get energy in your name, if your credit score is not where it needs to be, you guys are going to have to put a deposit down. So I just know that credit is very, very important in America, and I can only assume it's very, very important in Canada also. If you guys have realtors and you're out there buying houses, I'm pretty sure it's very, very important. And for those people that's having it, like you have a small business or you're trying to advance, you're trying to get money, you have to have a certain type of credit score. So I just think that your credit score is very, very important in Canada because of those different reasons. It's going to stop you from getting the financing that you need, or you're not going to be able to, I don't know, maybe just buy a house, your car, or I'm not sure what else you may need your credit for, but credit is very, very important. And as we go forward in the future, it's going to be even more important. People are finding that out in America that credit is very, very important. It's stopping them from other things. A lot of people used to like to use cash, and they're realizing they need to have their credit in order. So I just think that you guys should definitely work on your credit and try to have the best credit score possible.